I don't know about you guys, but today's video I'm going to use my Ritello vacuum. So this is the power brush, and you can do the height adjustment, and also you can easy release the lock. And the power brush has a foot pedal adjustment of 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and it's easy for you to release the button, and you can start doing the vacuum. Power on, and then you can press the button plus sign depending on your desired task. What would you like to do for today? So for me, I'm going to do the carpet. I try not to vacuum for two days, so this is the first round. Oh my god, that's a lot of dog hair. So this is only 2 days. So the second round, I'm going to try again. So I'm going to vacuum the entire carpet, same area that was in the first round. This is the second round, and it's a little bit cleaner than the first one, so I'm going to do the third again. But yeah, this is way better than the first ones. Vacuum every day is okay. So this is the result. Thank you for watching.